For another update, let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance over here. We have wicked above 61.45% above our November high, so we can invalidate the thesis in which this over here topped back in November. And because we went above this high, we could say that this over here is our fifth wave in the ending diagonal. Notice how we only went up in a three-wave move. Not only did we go up in a three-wave move, which would further validate the fifth wave in the ending diagonal, but we've also hit the 70.2% fib. So when we take a fib from our January 2021 high down to this September 2022 low, most of the market, most analysts thought we topped over here, including me. As soon as we went above this high, then we could say that, okay, this was just a third wave. This was your fourth, and now we came up for a fifth wave over here, right off the 70.2% fib. And then when we take a look at the hourly time frame, we have a really nice topping tail forming here. This hourly candle closes in about 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So if it can close like this, then it should be good for we should be good for a reversal to come in. When we go ahead and take a look at XRP, for example, we've came all the way down to take out the range lows. You see how we just swept these range lows over here? This is very reminiscent of the COVID crash that we had back in 2020, where we had mass panic in the market, mass liquidations, and we sweep key levels with just a wick before eventually grinding our way to the upside to then go towards the all-time high, right? When we go ahead and take a look at the liquidation statistics over here, so far this is the biggest that I've personally seen. This is the biggest long liquidation event that I've ever seen. So currently we do have favorable conditions for the market to reverse here, as long as Bitcoin dominance can stay under this 70.2% fib at 63.26%. Now the reason I'm confident that this won't go much higher is because we only went up here within a three-wave move. Okay, we went up here within a three-wave move. We've hit the 1.382 extension right over here. You see how we hit the 1.382 on the, let me put that right there, like right here. You see how we hit the 1.236, 1.382 extension? And then when we take our trend base fib to this, let's see where else we hit. We hit, yeah, 1.382, 1.236. Okay, so it looks like that was the fifth wave on Bitcoin dominance, but we can only confirm that as long as we stay below 63.26%, and then eventually you're tracked back below the 618 at 60.35. Now, when it comes to ending diagonals in the Elliott Wave theory, the macro waves are going to subdivide into three waves, and we can clearly see that each wave here subdivides into three. Three wave move up for your one, three wave move down for your two, another three up for your three. We came down in a three wave move for your four, and then we had another three up for your five right over here. Okay, now when we take a look at all of the indicators here, we do see that we are overbought on every single time frame. This is the daily, this is the 3-day, this is the weekly. Do you see how we're overbought on every time frame? Even the 4-hour. It's the most overbought that it's ever been, really. Let me see if we've ever reached this level before. Yeah, it's very, very overbought on every time frame. So I would be looking for a reversal here, and considering we only went up in a three-wave move here, then we must assume it's a fifth wave in the ending diagonal until proven otherwise. Let me take a look at this hourly on Bitcoin Dom. So yeah, we'll keep monitoring this. We did have a 4-hour closure below the 702. And what I would want to see here going forward is a push under the 618 at 60.35% in order to confirm that bottom on the altcoin market. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to let me know. I'll make sure to keep you guys updated. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.